Hi, today we will do operation with radical expression. Let's start with the first example, 3 root 2 minus 5 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 2. It seems that it's the same root, so we deal with it as like terms. So we're going to add 3 minus 5 plus 4, which is 2. Then the answer will be 2 square root of 2. In example number 2, we have 4 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 7 minus 6 square root of 3 plus 3 root of 7. So we have two types of root. We will do each together. Let's do 3 root 7 plus 3 root 7 plus 4 root 3 minus 6 square root of 3. Now we can add these together and the other two roots together. So 3 root 7 plus 3 root 7 will be 6 square root of 7 plus 4 square root of 3 minus 6 root of 3. It will be negative 2 square root of 3. In example number 3, we have 2 square root of 18 plus 2 square root of 32 plus 3 square root of 72. In this case, we have to try to find the simplest form of each root. So let's do 2. 18 equals 2 times 9, or you can take the prime factorization as we did before, but this is easiest way to do 2 times 9, which we have square root of 9 easily we can find it is 3, plus 2 square root of 32 will be 2, 32 will be 2 times 16, plus 3 square root 72. 72 will be 2 times 36. Now we try to make it more simple. Square root of 9 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 outside has to go outside. At 3, 3 times 2 equals 6. And we have to remain inside the root. Plus, we'll do the same. 16 root 16 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Square root of 2. And finally, plus 36 has root of 6. 6 times 3 equals 18 square root 2. Now we have the same root, so we add 6 plus 8 plus 18, which is 32 square root of 2. In example number 4, let's try to do square root of 24 equals 24 can be 2 times 12 or 4 times 6. We will take 4 times 6 because the square root of 4 is 2 minus 54 can be 6 times 9 or 9 times 6. And finally, 96 will be 6 times 16. So the first one will be square root of 4 is 2, so it will be 2 times root 6 minus square root of 9 is 3, then it will be 3 root 6 plus square root of 16 is 4, it will be 4 root 6. Then now we can add the numbers because we have like root or like terms. So 2 minus 3 plus 4, it's gonna be 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3. So it's 3 square root 6. In example 5 and 6, let's do multiplication with roots. How? We multiply each number. 3 times 2 equals 6. So it's gonna be 6. And square root of 2 times square root of 6 will be square root of 2 times 6, 12. So we can simplify it as square root of 6, 6 outside, and 12 will be 4 times 3. So square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 outside the root will find 6, and 2 times 6 equals 12. Again, square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 6 equals 12, and still inside square root 3. In example number 6, we have distributive property. So we have to do the distributive property where we take 3 square root of 5 times the first term, then it will be times the second term as we know from the distributive property. So 3 times 3 will be 9, 9, and square root of 5 times square root of 5 will be square root of 9 root 25, because root 5 times root 5 equal square root 25. Then the second step will be positive 3 times 2 equals 6, and square root 3 times 5 equals 15. So let's do this in the simplest form. We know that square root of 25 is 5. So 5 times 9 will be 45. And then 15, square root of 15. 15 is 3 times 5. So it doesn't have roots. And it's going to be 6 square root of 15. Or you can write it as 6 root 15 plus 45. It's the same, no problem. Thank you for watching.